Gotta meet Ron at Bueno Nachos. Okay, if I borrow the car, thanks.
Sorry, Kimmy. I have to drive Jim and Tim to soccer practice. Unless you want to.
Oh, no. I'm not gonna be the Tweebs taxi driver. I'll walk first. Bye-bye.
I'll give you $5.
Not listening.
10.
Walking away.
20. Firm.
Tough love, Mom. Tough love. Bonnie has her own car?
Hey, Kim, don't you just heart my new ride? Oh, you're still walking? How underclass for a senior.
Is that a door ding?
What? Where? I don't see any...
JP, check out my rockin' new horn.
Oh, now I see the ding. Your boyfriend. Later, losers!
Oh, and look, it squirts bubbles, too. Hop on, you can ride in style.
So, need to get my own wheels. 2.6-liter V8 engine, 9-speed sequential transaxle transmission, and most importantly, Bonnie will be jellin'.
Sticker shock. Kim, have you seen how much?
You're right. To pay for this, I'd have to babysit like 10,000 Saturdays.
And sell a kidney.
Hello, Ronald. So, Kimmy Cub, find anything you like?
Yeah, but nothing I can afford.
Hey, it's okay. You don't need a car. We've got my scooter.
The bubble horn?
The bubble horn.
I think I can help. Here it is, your new car!
Wow, I don't believe it! You're giving me your car?
Sweet!
Yep, she's all yours. Oh, wait, not this one, that one.
What a piece of...
History!
What century?
My old Roth SL Coupe.
Do you mean a sloth? I've heard of these.
Yep, my very first car. They don't make them like this anymore.
Not after the recall.
It means a lot to keep her in the family. I hope you like it.
It's great. Thanks, Dad.
This needs a little work. Treat her right and you'll be driving this car for years.
Years?
Oh, come on. Might not be that bad. You know, let's see what's under the hood.
Oh, even if I do get this heap running, I couldn't actually be seen in it.
So anyway, my mother wanted me to be an orthodontist, and that was her dream, not mine. My dream was to be a supervillain. And then, of course, I got
the
caught.
prisons in all the world. I get stuck with a blabbermouth.
You're a real supervillain with the blue skin and the hot temper and everything. Of course, you got caught too. So now here we are, equals.
Motorhead's in the big house. Seriously. At last, a riot. Now, cars, it's me, Eddie. I knew I could count on family. Freedom is at hand. No more lockdown. No more prison food. And no more yakety blab from you, Luca. Later, Drew, seriously.
Later, losers!
Listen, if it's any consolation on the whole counting on family front, I'm still waiting for my mother to post my bail.
Well, this has been fun. Actually, it hasn't. I'm gone.
Whoa! Hey now, Green. I gave you your freedom and a sweet ride.
Wait. So you think I owe you?
Seriously?
How shall I put this? Yeah, that's not the way I roll.
Hear me out. Hey, I'm not Cousin Drew. I am Motor Ed. I respect my green lady's appetite for destruction. Seriously, dude, I do.
Your lady?
Woo, man, I love that green magic.
Give it more gas! More! Give it more! Okay, wait, you're out of gas. And it's not so good on mileage, is it?
Go, Wade.
Kim, I just got word that... Are you sitting in a sloth?
A Bond Diggity vintage vehicle, my man.
But what about...
The recall? Yeah, we're not talking so much about that.
Minding here? So what up?
Get this. Motor Ed just busted Shigo out of prison.
Shigo and Draken?
Nope, just Shigo.
Motor Ed and Shigo? Why would they be working together?
Well, I mean, weirder things have happened. Look at us.
True, but there's a major diff between weird and wrong on all levels.
Once I get a fix on their location, I'll let you know. In the meantime, you can work on your,
Car. It's called a car, Wade.
technically, I'm not so sure.
Hickabicka-boo? Whoosha.
Out! This is a no-tweeb zone.
Out? Oh, okay, but don't you want to hear our offer first?
Offer? Not interested.
We can get your car running.
You know, they did build a spacecraft out of a lawnmower, a toaster, and, well, you know, rocket parts. But still, I mean, it worked, kinda.
What's the catch?
You just have to give us rides.
So not going to happen. I'll get it running on my own. Now go. Shoot.
Are you 100% on this, KP?
I'm Kim Possible. I can do anything. I think. It just gets worse.
Ah, wait, I wasn't even helping! How did this happen?
So, ready to deal?
Never.
Hey, Pete, be reasonable.
Fine.
Whoosha.
What's this?
Contract. In exchange for our services, you'll...
I know. Give you rides. Wherever you want. Whenever you want.
Or you could not be driving at all. Woohoo! Oh yeah! Whoosha!
Hey, no gloating.
Page 6, subparagraph 3. Gloating is to be allowed.
Whoa, they got you with a neener clause. Oh yeah, they're good.
Well,
Congratulations! It's a car!
It's
beautiful. I don't know what to say.
Contractually, you have to say thank you.
Thank you.
Now pop the hood.
Oh, no, I remember what happened last time.
Dual quad transverse rotary design with gyro stabilization.
Which is tweeb for...
This thing kicks. Now let's go.
Go. Go where?
Kimberly Ann Possible, who shall be known as the Car Monkey.
Could you not call her that?
Thank you, Ron.
Oh, no, not for you. It's for me. Still got some monkey issues. Go ahead.
The Car Monkey shall transport Jim and Tim anywhere they request. Whoosha! Let's roll.
We've been to the mall, the movies, the candy cave. Can we just go home? I've got things to do.
Nope, there's someplace we haven't been yet.
Oh, please don't say...
J.P. Barrymore's Pizza Barnatorium!
Booyah! Love the bear!
Not helping. How long does it take to eat burnt pizza?
You know, if you let us go in, I'll show you.
No! Oh no, not the puppy dog pout. Oh, okay. But you go in, you get the tweebs, and you get out.
Done and done. Yay!
That's it. Party's over. Let's go.
Good timing! We just matched the high score on Space Squids.
Oh, never get to have any fun.
Oh, boys. They're all tweebs. Go, Wade.
Someone jacked into the Space Center's mainframe and downloaded information on something called the Kepler.
Kepler? That's the project my dad's working on.
Well, with its prototype boosters, the Kepler will be the fastest man-made object ever created. I guess she'd be worth stealing.
You don't seem too worried.
Honey, the Middleton Space Center uses the best security measures. If there ever was a break-in, I'd...
Know about it?
Exactly. Oh.
Chigo, shouldn't you be behind bars?
I got an early parole. Only here to say hi.
Yeah.
Hey, Red, how's it shaking?
You tell me, squirrel head. I can't believe you actually teamed up with this loser.
Look, I am not thrilled about it, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do.
I got the goods. Let's roll.
Put that rocket down.
Sorry, time to fly.
You're not going anywhere.
Oh, not me. You. Seriously.
Whoa! Wade, need a landing solution.
Do you still have that hair gel I gave you last week?
Yeah?
It's actually a special compound that expands when exposed to air. It also adds body.
No mocking the hair.
Are you kidding me? You know, I know the basic boyfriend rules, Kim. Your new haircut is fabulous, and those slacks are very flattering.
Thanks for the sensitivity.
Sorry, but we're contractually obligated to mock.
Okay, just get it over with.
It's no fun if you help.
Whoa, what are you doing?
Cutting down on wind resistance. Seriously.
Except the wings are what makes it fly.
It's all part of my way wicked awesome plan.
Yeah, about that.
Can't talk. Working. Here's a blueprint. See if you can find a place for a new cup holder.
Okay, here's the deal. I may have to drive you to school, but that doesn't mean I have to be seen with you. So duck or walk. Now! Ron, not you. Okay, it's Bonnie, so stay down. Showtime. What's hot, B?
Oh, you have a car, Kay? Begged, borrowed, or stolen?
You wish? This is all mine.
Oh, taking it in for the recall?
Nuh-uh! We customized it ourselves, and it can blow the doors off any car, anywhere, anytime. And Kim has to drive us wherever we want.
So it's a babysitter car.
The only ride you're going to need will be to the hospital.
Kim,
Saved by the Wade.
I got the specs on the Kepler from your dad. If it reaches its top speed within the Earth's atmosphere, the shockwave will flatten everything in its path.
Nice.
Yeah? I mean, who'd be dumb enough to try that?
Motor Ed.
The Kepler specs are pretty impressive. Of course, it's all how you use it.
It's so gonna rock. Seriously.
I think maybe I can get on board with this. It looks like a race car. You tricked it out?
You say tricked out like it's a bad thing. Yeah, your chassis could use a little tricking out too.
Excuse me, what's wrong with my chassis?
Whoa, whoa, Seagull, I'm talking about your disguise.
Disguise?
Part of the plan.
Okay, but no flames.
We've been driving around for an hour and haven't seen anything. Naco stop?
No time. We've got to find Mullet Head before he puts the pedal to the metal.
Kim, it's the...
Ron, I said no.
Yeah, but KP...
I don't care how hungry you are.
It's the...
The Kepler? Why didn't you say something?
I forgot what it was called.
Did you see that?
It's as fast as a rocket.
Take a bigger door. Take us home.
That is it. I may have signed that silly contract, but first I'm stopping Motor Ed.
Not in this, you're not.
What?
We have to supercharge the engines. Nobody blows our doors off. This is personal. And check it. The Rock SL Coupe 2.0. Woohoo!
Could you possibly drive any slower?
The faster the ride, the slower the glide, babe.
Oh, please.
Hey, you're supposed to be chewing gum.
Gum?
Seriously, it pulls together your whole, disguise.
There. Fine. Now, can you tell me the rest of this awesome plan?
No spoilers. Whoa, what's that? Seriously.
You sure we can catch them?
With their new modifications? Just watch.
Great. Kimmy gets a car, and now she's everywhere. Like bacteria.
Huh? Okay, one for the tweeds.
Guys, remember, you can't let the Kepler break its threshold speed.
What's the threshold speed?
Oh, you'll know it when you see it.
See, but why are these dice fuzzy? It makes no sense. Watch it! She's gaining!
Shotgun babes, don't get to criticize a dude or his dice. Seriously.
Shotgun, babe!
The Kepler! Oh, looking good. Nice speed, sweet paint job. Slow down, Kitty Cub, and pick up some milk on your way home.
Are we slowing down?
No, they're speeding up, and we're topped out.
That was just first gear.
Okay, that's 2 for the Cleaves.
Don't worry about them. Get on with the plan. I am tired of waiting.
Whoa, the dude decides what to do. You don't get to boss me around. Ooh, you got lipstick on your teeth right there.
Oh, I hate that. Thanks.
Finally, a chance to test my theories on zero-G Nako eating. Ooh. Still good. Who to the future?
Okay, even if I do catch them, how am I gonna stop the Kepler?
If you cut the power from the feed, it'll disengage the quantum drive.
That'll cause a Cascade 1 power drop. Brilliant!
Thanks, guys. Appreciate the peer review positive feedback.
Sorry to interrupt your little geek fest, but how do I do this?
There's a panel on the outside of the Kepler. Remove it to get to the cutoff line.
So I just have to jump onto a speeding rocket?
Pretty much.
Ron, take the wheel.
Wait, before you go.
But I had nothing to do with this.
Ron, they're magno rings. They'll help you hang on to the side of the Kepler.
Right, that's what I thought, they were for. Huh.
Whoa, Red hits the rod. Time to show her what this baby can do. Seriously.
Finally!
I'm gonna hit the big right button.
This is what I've been waiting for. Let's go hypersonic!
You know it.
This shockwave will cause massive damage, dooming the world to chaos! You are the man with the plan.
What?
The hypersonic blast! Your plan!
That's not it.
It's not? What is?
To cruise cross country at hypersonic speed with a hot babe at my side. It's on my list of things to do before I croak. Next up, Alaskan cruise, man.
Wait, you mean I'm here because I'm an ornament?
Not. The fuzzy dice are an ornament. You are an accessory. Seriously!
Wait, I found the panel.
Good, because the quantum drive has been engaged, and no one's driving.
Why is this never easy?
Guys, tell me you put a grappler beam into this thing.
We're waiting on parts to come in.
Not now! This is just so random!
This better work.
Well, you gotta respect Red's road skills. She knows how to cruise. Wow, babe. You gotta do something with your luck, seriously.
Shut it.
Ow, hey!
I gotta admit, the sloth may not be perfect, but it came through in the end. Sorta like you guys.
Not to worry, we can fix it and add more modifications.
And a new contract?
Not this time. We've got another client for that.
So, what's a car monkey?
Oh, you'll see.
Gotta meet Ron at Bueno Nachos. Okay, if I borrow the car, thanks.
Sorry, Kimmy. I have to drive Jim and Tim to soccer practice. Unless you want to.
Oh, no. I'm not gonna be the Tweebs taxi driver. I'll walk first. Bye-bye.
I'll give you $5.
Not listening.
10,
Walking away.
20, firm.
Tough love, Mom. Tough love. Bonnie has her own car?
Hey, Kim, don't you just heart my new ride? Oh, you're still walking? How underclass for a senior.
Is that a door ding?
What? Where? I don't see any...
JP, check out my rocket new horn.
Oh, now I see the ding. Your boyfriend. Later, losers!
Oh, and look, it squirts bubbles too. Hop on, you can ride in style.
So, need to get my own wheels. 2.6-liter V8 engine, 9-speed sequential transaxle transmission, and most importantly, Bonnie will be jellin'.
Sticker shock. Kim, have you seen how much?
You're right. To pay for this, I'd have to babysit like 10,000 Saturdays.
And sell a kidney.
Hello, Ronald. So, Kimmy Cub, find anything you like?
Yeah, but nothing I can afford.
Hey, it's okay. You don't need a car. We've got my scooter.
The bubble horn?
The bubble horn.
I think I can help. Here it is, your new car!
Wow, I don't believe it! You're giving me your car?
Sweet!
Yep, she's all yours. Oh, wait, not this one, that one.
What a piece of...
History!
What century?
My old Roth SL Coupe.
Do you mean a sloth? I've heard of these.
Yep, my very first car. They don't make them like this